I can bet you 100 rand right now that you haven't seen a cleaner Sentra than the one I'm about to show you guys. As I was saying, guys, I can bet you 100 rand you haven't seen a cleaner Sentra than this one. Don't mind the bumper, please. Don't mind the bump. I'm sure later in the video you'll see the car in full trim. Trust me, you've never seen a cleaner Sentra than this one. Just look at the beautiful paint job. This car's in good condition, very good condition. Yeah, can't show you the number plate of the VG30, but yeah guys, check out the VG30 also. Beautiful VG30. I might film it too, but hey, let me focus on the Sentra. As can bet you 100 rand you've never seen something cleaner than this Sentra. Open the bonnet. I need to get like a headstand. Yeah, as I was saying, you've never seen a cleaner Sentra than this one. Beautiful engine bay, beautiful. I had to ask Malome, what's this engine? It's a C18. Beautiful, beautiful. Check out that intake manifold, guys. Check out the piping. This car is beautiful. Even the engine bay is clean. Yeah, guys, this is how a car should look like. This is how a car should look like. This car is also here for wiring. Beautiful. This car is also here for wiring. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, this car is here for, it's here to become a man. You know, must dictate. Oh, check out the wheels also. Beautiful rims, guys. Spoon Sports. His wheels are beautiful. Beautiful. Don't even have like a scratch on them on the curves. Nothing. Beautiful wheels. Guys, imagine if you break this window. I wonder where you get this window. Don't you guys think this car was supposed to be a bakkie? And then they were like, no, that's what Maloma told me. He's like, maybe that's supposed to be a bakkie. And then down the line, they were like, nope. Let me show you on the inside also, guys. This car is beautiful all the way around, guys. This thing is lovely. Power windows. Check out the roll cage too. Clean roll cage. Smells good too on the inside. This is how a car should look like, guys. This is how a car should look like. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. I can geek out over this car the entire day, guys. But yeah, guys, I'll probably show a few clips of the car once it gets wired, or as it's getting wired, not the entire thing.
Many hours later,
the car's finally wired. I haven't been here in a while. I know I still look the same because I'm wearing the same clothes, but I haven't been here in a while, and the car's finally wired. Let me show you guys. So basically, you guys can't really see much of a difference in terms of the wiring, because yeah, the wiring was already neat, but you will see the difference on the inside. Yeah, I didn't show you guys the previous computer box. Yo, check the smash. Yeah, I didn't show you guys the previous standalone engine management, but yo, check the tint, bruh. Smash and grab. This is the type of tint you want to be greeting me. It's Amali Media. How? You won't know it's me on the inside. You won't know. Your girlfriend will be on the inside. But yeah, I like the tint. Yeah, so yeah, the car has been wired, dictator fitted, it's in here. And yeah, hey, the door closes so nicely. Oh guys, I still can't get over this car. This thing is beautiful, man. These wheels, I'm crazy about these wheels. Finally, we have the car on the dyno, bright and early in the morning. Malum, Manat. Bright and early in the morning, cars on the dyno. Currently gonna tune it with the 95, and then we'll ready to switch to the full ethanol. currently letting the car cool down. As you guys heard, this car sounds so amazing. The turbo sounds, the turbo flutter, everything about this car is perfect. It's beautiful. I'm sure it's gonna make power. I'm sure about that. I'm 100% sure about that. So we're currently now letting the car cool down. So the videos that are gonna come after this might be the high RPM thingies and then the power run. So yeah guys, stay tuned. And we're still on the 95, so we still have to switch the fuel, more boost, more power. But yeah guys, let's get to it. That is it for the 95 map. Take a guess on how much the car's boosting. Yeah, the car's boosting. And like, take a guess on the power figures. The car's boosting 0.8, pump 95. Take a guess on how much kilowatts, and then I will reveal the power at the end. First, I have to ask the owner if I can share the power. But yeah, take a guess on how much she made on 0.8 bar boost with clean 95. Take a guess. So yeah guys, we're just gonna switch up the fuel. Here's the 95, there's the ethanol. Just gonna quickly drain the fuel, pour in some ethanol, clean ethanol, and see how much she's gonna make. Tamalo. Eu bati sa pipe. Yeah, currently draining the fuel. Next was that. We're gonna pour in the full ethanol, and we'll see how much she makes. This car's so beautiful. Beautiful car. I'm most likely gonna go on and on and on about how beautiful this car is. Don't mind me. If you don't like it, it's okay. I'm gonna go on and on and on about how beautiful this car is. I like it a lot. back to what I was saying. Check out the beautiful wheels of once again, probably for the like 100th time. This car's so beautiful. But yeah, the 95 is finally drained out. Now we're pouring the ethanol, E85, whatever they call it, but yeah, ethanol. Finally drained out. Gravity pump. Finally, the fuel is in the car. E85, ethanol, I don't know what you call it, but ethanol. Whatever you wanna call it. Yeah, clean ethanol into the tank. And we'll see. Guys, I'm so in love with this car. This car's so beautiful, man. Like, I'm glad to have featured a lot of lovely cars. Like the Honda that I featured, the Gerald's Honda. And then what else? There's a bunch of cars that I really like. The Honda, the 1400, the Tyler's VQ830, Tiger's 2J Corolla, the other white 1UZ Corolla. There's just a bunch of cars that I really enjoyed featuring on the channel. Like a lot. There's so many of them. Salvox, Opel, Tim's, Ford with the 4AG. There's just so many cars, guys. So many cars that I got to feature, and I'm grateful to all of the owners. And yeah. we have it for the beautiful Nissan Sentra. Lovely car, guys.